The AEG ComfortLift makes loading and unloading your dishwasher as effortless as possible. ComfortLift is a world first. The mechanism lets you gently slide and lift the lower basket up to a convenient working height. This allows you to unload more efficiently and load more effectively. Raise the lower basket until it clicks into the upper position. To lower the basket, lift and hold the trigger while pushing the rack down to the starting position. With comfort rails, your racks slide smoothly in and out of your dishwasher without rattling plates or chipping dishes. New air-dry technology maximizes the AEG ComfortLift's drying performance with natural airflow. By simply opening the door by 10 centimeters during the last stage of the dishwasher cycle, dishes are dried naturally and energy costs are reduced. AEG ComfortLift dishwashers are available with a selection of accessories. The new AEG glass basket protects up to 8 delicate wine glasses. And the high-quality dish care set contains a descaler, degreaser, restoring salt, and 2 deo fresheners to optimize the functionality of the dishwasher and extend its life. AEG ComfortLift lifts gentle to a new level.